Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make sour lotus stem curry or Chok Nadru. Nadru or lotus stem or kamal kakdi is a very versatile and it's cooked in many varieties in Kashmir. And this Chok or sour Nadru turns really amazing. It's cooked in spices and tamarind water. So let's get started. For making this curry, I have taken half a kg of Nadru or lotus stem. I have cleaned them properly and boiled them in water, and I have sliced them like this. You can slice them halfway also. So here you can see like this we have to slice it. Oil around 1 cup. Imli or tamarind pulp water, I have taken a small bowl. I had boiled tamarind in water and then removed the seeds. So here you can see it's with pulp. So there is slightly pulp also in this. So it's the main ingredient that will give the sour taste to our curry. Then I have taken 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of salt or according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, you can take more or less according to your taste, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, and 4 to 6 finely chopped garlic cloves. And then whole spices include 2 black cardamoms, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 4 cloves, 5 green cardamom and 2 bay leaves. We start with frying nadrus or lotus stem. So for that I have heated up the oil and we have to fry them. We don't have to over fry them, but we have to fry them on all sides. So once they are fried on both the sides, we'll remove them from oil. Now I'll remove the excess oil, and I have kept just 2 tablespoons of oil. Then I'll be adding garlic and whole spices to it. We'll saute them properly and then we'll be adding nadru back to it, fried nadru or lotus stem. We'll give them a good mix. Here the flame is between medium to high, and then I'll be adding all the spices: fennel seed powder, chili powder, ginger powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and salt. Garam masala, I'm not going to cook them in a cooker because they are quite soft, and I'll just slow cook them in the pan only. If you feel the nadrus that you have taken need extra cooking, you can cook them in the cooker. So once these spices are sauteed properly, I'll be adding water at this stage. So first I have added plain water, then I'll be adding tamarind water. So you can see once this starts boiling, so I'll be adding tamarind water at this stage. And I'm adding a good amount of water. It's around more than a glass of water because we have to cook them also, like they should be soft also. So if you are going to cook in the cooker, you may need less water. You can just add tamarind water and cook up to 2 whistles because this doesn't need much gravy. So I'll mix it properly and I'll keep the flame low and I will let it cook for around 20 to 25 minutes. So I would like to mention here again, the nadrus that I have taken are not that hard. They can be cooked like this also, so I'm going to use this method. If you feel the nadrus that you have taken need cooking in a cooker, so you can cook them up to 2 whistles. So here you can see after around 25 minutes on low flame, they are almost done. Now here I'll keep high flame and I will let the gravy absorb, and at this stage you can check the salt also if more salt is needed. So at this stage you can check the softness also of nadrus also, and this curry doesn't have much gravy. So as visible in this, the consistency of gravy is also quite good. So at this stage I'll be turning off the flame, and they are ready to be served. I'll keep them like this for a few minutes and then I'll serve them. Here the mouth watering and tangy nadru are ready. The sourness of tamarind gives this curry a different taste. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.